Okay guys, today I'm going to make a solder fume extractor for my soldering iron, obviously. I already practically have, it's really easy to make, I already practically have all the components here. I took these are two fans for PCs. These ones, they came from an, this laptop cooling pad, so you'd have the pad on your lap and then a laptop on top of that pad, and these fans would blow air onto the laptop to keep it cool and to prevent it burning your thighs and everything. I didn't really use it for that, didn't see the point really, but yeah, I took that from there. I plugged it in. It runs off of this USB. I plugged it into the 5 volts. It's not fast enough for my liking, to be honest. So I don't really want to cut all these wires and everything. So I've taken this USB, and I've taken this thing called a female USB adapter, plugged it right in, and then I attached this up to this 9 volt battery pack. I'm just going to attach a 9 volt to it, and they spin pretty fast. That is, if the 9 volt battery wasn't dead. This is a rechargeable 9 volt battery. It's actually pretty cool. Oh no, it's not dead. Look at that. This thing's unplugged. Maybe it's both. Maybe it's dead and that. But it's a rechargeable 9 volt battery. It's pretty cool. You could just plug it in, and it charges up. It's 400 milliamp hours, so it's pretty small, but it still works. And then it's yeah. So when I connect these two to the 9 volts, they spin pretty fast. They got these filters so that it will actually filter the air and trap all the fumes. They're carbon filters. You could get them in a lot of places. Ooh, got a huge amount here. I'm gonna have to cut it to the right size. This is, yeah, extremely large. Barely fit on the screen. Yeah, I'll just cut it to size. Yeah. What do you think? This way or this way? If I do it this way, might be able to get in. Yeah, I'm gonna do it this way because I think I'll be able to get in 3 strips across this way. Right, I'm just gonna mark out. So it's from the end to right over. Black Sharpie, so I don't know if it will show up, but the end here to right over here, and end here right over there. Okay, let me pause for a second and I'll just cut this out. Right, yeah, so I'm just gonna I've cut it out, and I'm just going to screw it on here with as many screws as I can. I feel like I could just score this with a knife, and then the screw should just slip right through it. So right here, I'm gonna just puncture it slightly. There we go. Yeah, seems to work fine. There we go. I want there, and there. Okay. And then just screw it on. Right there. kind of cut off to a bit, so there's this hole just sticking out there. Let me cut this one again. Where is it? Where is it? Wait, no, if I... yeah, I'll do that. Put it down a bit, and then I can just squeeze it there, and let me... okay, so it's done. These extra 4 screws, I should probably put them in. I don't know, I might do later. But I want to... right, I'm gonna... well, a perfect test of this thing will be to solder this wire onto there. I'm gonna hook this up like that, and then I'm getting my soldering iron ready. Alright. Okay, and to test whether this thing will work, I'm gonna just apply a solder onto this joint. It's kind of in the way. Apply a bit more solder onto there, and then apply them. Why not? Why is it? It should work. Yeah, it should work. I don't know, maybe this thing's running out of battery. See, now it's working 100%. The fumes from the soldering iron, solder, they're going straight through it, no matter where. I'm probably gonna have to... but yeah, all these fumes going straight through the thing, and my lungs don't have to be damaged anymore. It is... oh, ow, that's hot. Ow. I don't think do things like that. It is showing up on camera, isn't it? Oh, the light's not on. Sorry. You should see this. I have to show you guys. You can see it on the camera. It's going in. You can see all those fumes. My shadow in my hands probably blocking it, but all those fumes. Just going in. Okay, great. Thanks for watching.